everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's look's gonna be a St. Patrick's look. As you can see, I did go for some glitter because it's just amazing. I love glitter. And I wanted to do an intro also because I have not talked to you guys in a while. I haven't done an intro in quite some time because I do a lot of voiceovers so that I cut down on time and I get right to the point for you guys. But I had to stop by and say hi, tell you guys how much I love you and how much I appreciate you guys stopping by watching my videos. It means a lot to me. So I hope that you guys enjoy this new look. I love it. I love dramatic looks, and I promise I'll be doing some more wearable looks as well. So stick around. I'll show you guys how to achieve this makeup look. Let's begin. I'm going to start off by applying my base, and I'm using Chanel's Le Blanc base. I'll be applying it all over my face and focusing right on my T-zone area. Moving right along to my foundation, I'm using Chanel's Perfection Lumiere foundation, which is a full coverage long wearing foundation, and I'm applying it using my Dior full coverage brush. I've been really enjoying this foundation because it's really matte, so it's perfect for those of you that have very oily skin or combination skin, and it doesn't make it dry. So I've been really enjoying this. The coverage is buildable. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more using my beauty blender right on the areas where I need a little more coverage. You just have to allow the foundation to set before you apply another layer so that it doesn't appear cakey. For concealer, I'm using MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC15. I'm applying it with my fingers and then I'm blending it out using a sponge. I'm going to begin contouring, and I'm using a cream contour. It's discontinued by MAC, the one I'm using in this video, but you can actually use a foundation or a cream base concealer that's a few shades darker than your own skin tone. And then I'm going to go in with my brush and blend this out. To set my foundation, I'm using my MAC Studio Fix powder, and I'm just using my kabuki to set this. And I'm not going to really set my contour yet because I'll be applying powder over that. For my powder contour, I'm using MAC's eyeshadow in Omega, and the reason I'm using this eyeshadow is because a lot of the sculpting powders out there have an orange hue in them, and I don't like that. I feel that shadows should be, grays or taupes or very, shadowy like colors. So I went for this eyeshadow, and I absolutely love the effect it gives. Now it's time for brows, and I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow, and I'm going to be using this to fill them in. I do have a full tutorial on the sculpting and contouring as well as my brows, so if you want to go and check that out, you're more than welcome to see a full detailed video. I'm highlighting them using my Anastasia highlighter, and then I'm just using a flat brush to really make them nice and sharp. Then I'm going to set them using my MAC Pro Longwear Brow Set. For my blush, I'm using my Vintage Blush in Blossom. I really love it because it's a really beautiful tone of pink and it's matte, so I can control the amount of shimmer that I'll be applying later. I really want that glow on my skin today, so I'm going to be applying my Soleil Tan de Chanel in Sunkissed, which is a cream to liquidy kind of consistency. And then I'm going in with a powder highlight, which is MAC Soft and Gentle, to create a really beautiful highlight on the skin. Now it's finally time for the eyes, and I'm going to be using MAC's Painterly Paint Pot all over my lid and all the way up to my brow. Even for those of you that don't like applying shadow there, go ahead and apply it so that you get a nice even look. Now for the eyes, I'm going to be using my MAC 224 and applying two different eyeshadows and mixing them. One is Paradisco by MAC, and the other one is also by MAC, and it's called Rule. I combine both of these colors together to create the perfect look, and I'm going to be applying these colors right above my crease area and blending it out. This will be our transition color. Now I'm taking an angled brush using MAC's Brown Down eyeshadow and placing it right on the crease area. And we're just really going to apply quite a bit of this and just continue to build it until you get the intensity that you want. With the 224 that we used previously, I'm going to just combine all these colors together and create a nice transition. And don't worry too much about perfection because we're going to go back and add some more colors later on. Now I'm taking my MAC Black Ground gel eyeliner and I'm applying this right on my lid. I know it looks kind of freaky, but don't get scared. You do have about 40 seconds to work with it, which I know seems like no time at all, but just take your time. Go ahead and really pack it on the lid. Make sure you get in between the lashes so you don't see any skin when we go back and apply our lashes and all that good stuff. And then just be light-handed as you start heading towards the crease area so that there's no harsh lines. And yeah, that's it. With the same brush, go ahead and apply this liner right under the eyes as well, just about halfway. And then just really focus on the outer corner and make it nice and dark. Now I'm going in with my green eyeshadow. This one is MAC Humid, which is a beautiful, rich, dark green eyeshadow color. I'm applying this to my lid and just really staying below the crease. If you do happen to go past it, it's fine. If you want to create a bigger effect of a lid space, that's fine as well. Just make sure that you're light-handed as you go a little higher so that you don't have any harsh lines. Perfection's not extremely necessary right now. And I'm applying a little bit under my eyes as well using a MAC 219 brush. And then I'm going to go in with my gel liner and really extend that along my lower lash line. Sorry, I was lost for words. I just felt that it would look a lot better this way. So I'm just going to add a little bit of that and it won't budge. So for those of you that have problems with your eyeliners budging, this thing will stay on till you have makeup remover on your eyes. So I really love it. You just have to work with it fast. If you like the smolder look, you have to go in with the brush right away and some eyeshadow and blend that out before it sets. I'm taking my angled brush again with the same brown color, and then I'm applying it right, slightly bright on the green eyeshadow just to create a nice transition. And you can build this color as much as you want. I really love the brown and the orangey and peaky effect that we have right past the crease, which really makes the whole combination look absolutely stunning. Go back with your brushes and just blend. It doesn't necessarily mean you have to add any more eyeshadow. You just want the fluffiness of the brush to blend everything out for you. Then I will be applying a little bit of gold right in the lower and upper inner 1/3. And this one didn't have a name, but I just loved it. And also apply your brow highlight. For some reason, I did not record that. For my eyeliner, I'm using the same background eyeliner from MAC, and I'm applying this using a very tiny brush that I bought from Michaels. I just went for a really high-end little brush that they had there, and it works amazing. It works better than my makeup eyeliner brushes that are meant for makeup purposes. So definitely go check those out, and they're a lot more reasonable. I'm winging it out quite a bit because I want this look to be dramatic, bold, and I always apply my gel liner or my eyeliner before I apply my glitters. I know some people love applying the eyeliner afterward, but it makes it not so smooth because you have glitter on there and it makes it not an even surface, if that makes sense. Using a synthetic brush, I'm taking my eye candy liquid sugar and I'm soaking my brush with that, and then I'm placing this right on my lid. And as you can see, this is a look without any glitter, and it looks just as beautiful if you want to opt out. Just go ahead and pat it down, and then go ahead and take your preferred glitter and just pat it on. Using the same brush is fine. So as you can see, it'll be a lot easier to go back and touch up the eyeliner now because we already placed it to perfection prior to applying the glitter. I'm going to set it, applying another coat of my liquid sugar right over the glitter that we just placed. Now I'm taking my angled brush and a brown eyeshadow and placing it right on the crease to create a nice transition between the glitter and the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to be applying my false eyelashes. I know I'll be getting a lot of questions on these. They are the velour lashes, but I do have to say that I wouldn't purchase these because they do come apart really easily. The first couple of applications seem to work out well, and then when I go and clean them, they can fall apart very easily, and they aren't the cheapest. So just wanted to put that out there before you go and spend $30–$35 on these lashes. For my lower lashes, I'm using MAC Opal Lash because I don't get any mascara transfer under my eyes since my bottom lashes are so long. I do apply a couple of layers. For my lips, I'm lining them using a deep rose colored lip liner, and then I'm going to be using a nude lip gloss that has great color payoff right over that, and there we go. I wanted to create a transition effect, so I'm going to add a little bit of concealer right on the inner part of my lips. just like that. This concludes the makeup look. I hope that you all enjoyed this St. Patrick's makeup tutorial. I really love this look, and if you do try it out, send me some pictures to my social media. I would love to see them. You can also go by and check out my family vlogs where I post pictures every single day at Janice Makeup TV. I will see you guys really soon. Bye-bye.